Here we have the batter breader machine. This is the tabletop compact version. The way we have it here right now is all disassembled, and we're going to show you how to assemble the machine when you order it. The same way you take it apart is the same way you put it back in. And these are all the parts here disassembled on top of the table. Okay, so now we're going to show you how to put the first part on. Once you do your cleaning, this is what you want. So you want to make connection with this gear over there. And you just slide it in and it will automatically fall into place. The same way you put it on, it falls into place, and then you pull it back, you push it backwards, and you'll see that when you pull it back, it goes up a little ramp here, and then you pull it all the way out, like that. And then when you put it back in, it'll fall into place in the gears automatically. Next part. This is the part where so the next part, you want to make sure that this goes inside this hole over here. Okay, and I'll show you on this angle. Okay, so that's how you put that part in. And the next part, again, you want to make sure that you have that connector to the connector there. This machine is very easy and simple. Everything pretty much falls into place. You got the roller, and you just push it in that way. And then you got the knobs. Disassembling and assembling this machine for cleaning should take no more than 5 minutes to disassemble it. It's very quick, easy to operate, very robust. And you have one more part that has the stainless steel fingers. And that's it. And that's how you assemble the machine. And you got these clips here on the side as well. You gotta make sure they're secure. Okay, and that is the machine completely assembled. So this is the machine assembled, as I mentioned. And I'm gonna show you one last little tip when you guys wanna do the cleaning at the end of the day and remove the old breadcrumbs. You open that up, and while you open that up, you run the machine, and all the older breadcrumbs, it'll fall into a container of your choosing. And once that's done, you can use that for the next day. You also get an extra little part of belt in case something needs to, the other part of the belt needs to be replaced with the machine. And that is the machine tour. Thank you.